Next note we're going to work on is the train, and the train can be a real aggressive note, and it shows a lot of emotion, and it's kind of tricky to learn, but once you figure it out, you're going to be set. It's going to sound a little something like this. What you're doing there is a cheap way to do it is if you know how to do a spit note, if you know how to do the you do that, clamp down your hands on it and you do a spit note, and it's going to be a little something like this. Once you figure out how to control the air a little more, you can do it open-handed, which I think sounds more natural, more like a goose, because when a goose does it, it's higher pitched. And what you're going to do is you're going to put the air through the back. I'll show you through the back of the call. You're going to put the air through just so the reed's vibrating, but it's not breaking over. It's going to sound a little something like this. And then through the front of the call, and what I'm doing is I'm taking the tip of my tongue from the top of my mouth, letting it drop down to where the air is coming through, vibrating the reed, and then slowly bringing it up so it tails off, and it gives it that Now, what a lot of people do, they like, I mean, you can mix it anywhere. You can mix it in your fast stuff, kind of like something like this. Or you can mix it down on the bottom end. You can also use it as a comeback, a little something like this. You can use it tons of different ways. You can drag it out. You can use it short. You can use it deep. You can use it low. Something like this. And that's a train note.